Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about seeds as food. Some of the plants store food in their seeds. So we eat the seeds of these plants as food after suitable treatment. Examples: food grains such as wheat, maize, rice, sorghum, pulses, groundnut, mustard, soya bean, millet, Bengal gram, and peas are some examples. Uses: we use the seeds of wheat flour for making chapatis, breads, and noodles. The groundnut and mustard seeds are called oil seeds. Oil seeds are used to extract edible oils, which are used for cooking food. Some plants have two or more edible parts, which can be eaten as food. For example, leaves of mustard plants are used as green leafy vegetables, sarson ka saag, and the seeds of mustard plants are used to extract mustard oil. Fruits of banana plant are eaten, and the flowers of the banana plant are also used as food in the form of vegetables. Non-edible plants. All the plants around us are not edible. Some of the plants are even poisonous, hence not fit for eating. Thank you. Please subscribe and share my video. We will meet in our next video.